Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So summer is almost here guys, and during this summer time we want our skin to feel fresh and clean. We don't want any kind of sweat on our face. We want it to be oil free and dirt free, and to do that I like to use this clay mask from Dot & Key. It's their vitamin C pink clay mask. This clay mask is really good, and clay masks are actually a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate your skin, especially in summer time. So I love to use this mask especially in summer. So in today's video I'll be giving you a review on this mask, and I'll also show you demo on this mask, like how to use and all. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So this is Dot & Key vitamin C pink clay mask. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. Like all other product from Dot & Key, the outer packaging of this product is really pretty. It comes in this pink outer packaging. So they have mentioned all the things you need to know about this clay mask on the outer packaging. They have mentioned the ingredients, the direction on how to use this clay mask, some claim, and all other things are mentioned on the outer packaging. So this mask retails for 845 rupees, and you get 85 gram of product in this, which is a good quantity, and the shelf life of this mask is 3 years. Again, a good thing, you can use this mask for 36 months. Also, Dot & Key is a vegan and cruelty free brand, and this clay mask doesn't contain any kind of nasty chemicals in it. And this is how the inner packaging of this mask looks like. It comes in this glass jar with very cute white color cap, and this is pink in color obviously because it has pink clay in it. And on the bottom you have these details, like they have mentioned the price and expiry date as well, which is a very good thing, at least for me, because I really like to have expiry date detail of any product on the inner packaging itself. Now let's talk about the ingredients present in this clay mask. I have this list of ingredients right in front of me. I'm reading all the ingredients from the Nykaa's website. It has a very nice blend of brighteners, antioxidants and hydrators. Like it has this kakadu plum and acerola cherry, which are very rich in vitamin C. So they'll help with the hyperpigmentation you have, skin aging, and overall they'll improve the skin radiance. And then it has multiple clays, like it has pink clay which gently exfoliates your skin and leaves your skin very soft and smooth. And then it has kaolin clay and bentonite clay which deep cleanses your skin. It unclogs your pores, it removes any kind of oil or dirt on the skin. And apart from that, it also contains hyaluronic acid, which is a very good ingredient to have in any kind of makeup or skincare product, because it's a humectant which attracts moisture from the environment, so it will keep your skin very hydrated. And it also has vitamin E, which is a very good antioxidant, so it contains a lot of good ingredients. So you also get this very cute teeny tiny spatula with this mask, which you can use to apply the mask. It's very easy to use this spatula to apply the mask, and you need to screw it open like this, and there is a protective lid here. And this is how this mask looks like from inside. It has a very nice consistency. I love the consistency of this mask. It somehow has that silky kind of consistency. It's not very thick and not runny as well. It's somewhere in between, but it glides on the face really well. Like it's very easy to apply this mask on the face. बहुत ही easily apply हो जाता है, बहुत easily remove भी हो जाता है. So it's really easy to work with this mask. So let me show you the demo of this mask, like how you apply and how the skin looks like after using this mask. So let's see the demo now. So I'm ready with the headband. Now let's apply this mask, and this mask comes with this spatula, this applicator. So I'll be using this only to apply this mask on my face. So this is how this mask looks like. It looks so yummy, right? I love the consistency of this mask. Now let's apply it. By the way, I have already washed my face. So the application is done and it's very easy to apply this mask. Now I'll leave this mask for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. So it's been around 10 to 15 minutes and the mask is dried. So I'll wash it off and come back. So I washed it off and it was very easy to remove this mask. Generally clay mask को remove करना can be a little difficult because of the consistency. Because clay mask थोड़ा thick होते हैं, but the consistency of this mask is very good. So it was very easy to remove it and you can easily remove all of it. And it leaves the skin very soft and supple. The skin feels so clean and so fresh. And this is how it looks like. Also, clay mask can leave your skin very dry, but that doesn't happen with this mask. It doesn't dry out your skin a lot. So the skin feels so soft, so clean and radiant, and it provides a very nice brightening effect as well. So as you saw in the demo, it's very easy to use this spatula to apply this mask. The consistency of this mask is really good. So it's very easy to apply this mask and it's very easy to take off as well. And the skin feels so clean, so soft and rejuvenated after applying this mask. And it removes any kind of dirt or oil on the face. It leaves the skin so soft and clean, and it doesn't dry out your skin a lot. Like, it has clay in it, so it is supposed to dry out your skin, but it doesn't dry out your skin a lot. थोड़ा सा drying feel होता है, जो कि होगा ही because इसके अंदर clay है, तो थोड़ा सा dry feel होता है, but not like the other clay mask which like sucks out all the water from your face, since it has this hyaluronic acid on all those nice ingredients in it, so it doesn't dry out your skin a lot. And my skin feels very clean and fresh whenever I use this mask, so I highly recommend you guys to try this mask, especially in this summer time. It's a really good mask to use during summers. Also, I have a coupon code with Dot & Key, so you can use my coupon code and you can get 10% discounts on your purchase. You can purchase any product and you can use that 10% discount coupon for your purchase. I'll mention the coupon details in the description box for you. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this review and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.